Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the Nord Firefox VPN extension. Now, I use, as you probably know, watching any of my videos, I use NordVPN quite a lot really for all different sorts of purposes. And I generally use the main interface which sits in my taskbar here. And you can see this gives you access to the full functionality of NordVPN, all the servers all over the world. We'll just zoom out there. I think they're in about 40, 50 different countries. I'm not sure. It does change. But there are VPN servers all over the world. Now, using the main interface, you can access any of those. You can click on a country you want. It will also allow you to connect to specific VPN servers. Now, why you would want to do this, I'll just put hash here and I get a better list. For instance, they've configured certain of the UK servers to work well with BBC iPlayer and UK TV sites. So here you can scroll down the list and connect to a specific server of your choosing. Otherwise, if you click on a country, it basically looks for the nearest and fastest server to you, which is what you might not actually want. You can also change different settings and use different features like the dark web settings and use split tunneling and stuff like that. So it's all here in the main interface. The main actual functionality difference is, though, when you connect to a VPN server here, so if I connected to UK or something like that, all my traffic from this device will go down the VPN tunnel to the country I've selected. Absolutely everything. That's my email, browsing. If I use any applications, they're all going to tunnel through this application. And usually this is right because you want your whole device protected. You want all your communication protected. But there is another option, and that is to use one of the snap-ins or add-ons, if you like, to different browsers. Now I'm going to show you the Mozilla Firefox one here. Now you can get there's also an add-on for an extension for Chrome as well. I'll put the links below if you want to use those, and you can use them as well, as they're all included in the same subscription. Let me just show you how it works now. I've added the extension here to Firefox. As you say, just go to the link below. Let me just go there. The link below, and you can just basically add it to your browser, and then it will look like this. It'll sit in here. It sits here, and you use it whenever you like. Right. So, like here, you can see it's a very cut down version of the VPN. What it does, it puts the main countries it thinks here that you can connect to. You can drop down the list and go to the different servers there. Quick Connect will connect you to a local VPN server. So in my case at the moment, I'm in the UK. If I want to connect to, let me just connect to a German one. And I'll show you what happens, and then I can see it's just connected to me to a server in Hamburg. And I'll show you quickly the difference. Just go and let me search for plumbers in Google, in Firefox, while I'm connected to the German VPN. As you can see here, it says I'm in Hamburg, so it's giving me German plumbing services, because that's where it thinks I am. And this is only working at the moment in Firefox. If I actually go and start off Chrome here, this is not affected. When you're using the extension, it's not affected by the VPN. Normally, if you use the interface, as I said, the main interface, everything's connected. So if I put plumbers here, and I'll get ones in the UK. Just show you there. So this is North Wales, where I am at the moment, and you can see that's where it's got plumbers, because Chrome is basically on this device. Chrome is in the UK and not affected by the VPN. Remember, it's not protected either. And Firefox is in Germany. Now, it's particularly useful. This is basically the same as using the split tunneling feature. in the main configuration settings of NordVPN so that you can say that goes through the VPN and that doesn't. This is just a quicker way of doing it. So basically now Firefox is connected to my German VPN. So a practical example would be if you're on holiday somewhere and you want to connect to, say I was a German tourist on holiday in the UK, I could connect to my German VPN by enabling my Firefox extension and watch German TV in this one, because it would get blocked otherwise. You can see here it's connected to NordVPN German settings, and leave the rest of my browsing to just be wherever I happen to be at the time, or vice versa. You know, I mean, you can use it for any different combination, and that's all there is to it, really. It's quite quick and handy, and it's probably easier to use one of these extensions if you just want to do something quickly. So quickly watch TV or quickly pay a bill or something. For instance, lots of payment sites will block access outside the country, which can be a pain if you're on holiday or traveling. Just use the snap-in, and they all work together perfectly well. I mean, I would only enable one at a time, but they're all they're all interactive as well, so you can start and stop whichever you like. Okay, so that's basically it. That's NordVPN, Firefox, and really Chrome VPN extension. If you want to get a version of NordVPN, click in one of the discount links I've got below. Those give you the best setting offers. They change all the time, but that link will always point to the current best offer. At the moment, they're running a Black Friday one, which will probably last for about a month, ironically. But that will change. There'll be a Christmas special if you click on the link at Christmas and so on. Okay, great. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great rest of the day, and I hope this video has helped somebody out there on the internet. Okay, bye-bye.